美国政府甲国防部改名做战争部了后，就随调集这国内甲国外军官。川普甲国防部长就甲大家勉励，强调要彻底恢复美军的战士精神，要求所有军人，无论是查甫也是查某，这体能甲技术拢爱达到同款的标准。
伫满场的军事将领面头前，美国国防部长赫格塞斯批评民主党执政期间伫军中推动的多元化平等甲识别认同，也就是所谓的 DEI 等政策，强调美军上大任务就是准备作战，而且一定要拍赢。赫格塞斯提出10项指导原则，毋但严谨老虎手老长头毛，更较强调未来无论军种甲阶级体能战机，拢爱以男性为唯一标准，也就是讲，女性官兵也爱甲男性同僚完全共款。
It's completely unacceptable to see fat generals and admirals in the halls of the Pentagon and leading commands around the country and the world. It's a bad look. It is bad, and it's not who we are. So whether you're an airborne ranger or a chairborne ranger, a brand new private or a 4-star general, you need to meet the height and weight standards and pass your PT test.
美国总统川普除了佮表示同款的原则，佮佮将焦点放伫最近出动军队协助维护大城市的治安，认为防守美国家己的国境也是重要的任务。
Ones that are run by the radical left Democrats, what they've done to San Francisco, Chicago, New York, Los Angeles. They're very unsafe places, and we're going to straighten them out one by one. And this is going to be a major part for some of the people in this room. That's a war, too. It's a war from within.
捌伫川普第一个总统任期内担任国安官员的学者指出，美军将心思专注伫拍赢战争是正确方向。
The military is not trained and equipped and designed to do in terms of nation building and institution building in countries that don't have a history of these kind of institutions. We're out of the nation building business. And I agree with him on that point because we never should have done that in places like Iraq and Afghanistan.
伫这场空前的军事会谈中，川普甲赫格塞斯也拢一再表示，美军的任务是保卫国家安全，毋是保卫某一寡族群的心灵无受伤。所以，民主党执政期间有关性别甲族裔的政策，拢会正做过去。公司新闻，齐家人编译。